Here are 13 blazing facts about a volcano that will blow your mind.
Am I supposed to?
Number 1, there are about 20 volcanoes erupting right now around the world. Plus, 80% of the Earth's surface is volcanic in origin. An erupting volcano can trigger tsunamis, flash floods, earthquakes, mudflows, and rockfalls. The tallest volcano isn't located on Earth. It's actually on Mars. Did you know that the word volcano is originated from the Roman god of fire named Vulcan? Volcanoes can be variety of shapes: composite, cone, and shield. They can be active, dormant, or extinct. Magma and lava are two different things. Magma are molten rocks inside a volcano, while lava are located outside of a volcano. Volcanoes can occur on ocean floors and under ice caps too. The world's largest active volcano is called Mauna Loa in Hawaii. The loudest sound recorded in history was made by a volcano called Krakatoa. Volcanoes are used as fertilizers. Birds also use volcanoes to bury their eggs and keep them warm.